Hello student, I hope all are keeping fine. Today I am going to start exercise 1.2. In last class I have discussed about the multiplication of the integers, properties of multiplication of the integers. So the first question is given here. Which of the following statements are true, which are false? A part, 4 into minus 3 equal to minus 3 into 4. This is a commutative law. 4 into minus 3 equal to minus 12, minus 3 into 4 equal to minus 12. LHS is also minus 12, RHS is also minus 12. So you can say that this statement is true for these integers. Is it clear? So you can say it is true. B part is given here. 453 into 1 equal to minus 453. So what you can say about this statement? This is a positive integer, this is a positive integer. The product of two positive integers is always positive. But here it is given negative. We can see minus 453. It means we can say that this statement is not true. Why it is not true? Because this is negative. So you can say that this is false. C part is here. What is C part? 4 into in brackets 5 minus 11 equal to 4 into 5 minus 4 into 11. What you can say about this statement? This is the distributive property. And according to distributive property, since we know that distributive property multiplication over addition, but here it is given the distributive property multiplication over subtraction. So this is also true because 4 is multiplied with 5 and 4 is multiplied with 11. So 4 into 5 minus 4 into 11. So this is also true. We can check, no problem. So LHS is here. What is LHS? 4 into 5 minus 11. It means 4 into 5 minus 11 equal to minus 6. Multiplication of 4 and 6 equal to 24. And negative and positive. This is positive and this is negative. Negative and positive always negative. And RHS is here. What is RHS? 4 into 5 minus 4 into 11. 4 into 5 equal to 20 because both are positive, and this is negative. 4 into 11, then negative will be here. 4 into 11 equal to 44. So when you will subtract from, because why you will subtract? Because this is negative and this is positive. So if one number is negative, another is positive, in that case we always subtract. So from 44, 20 will subtract. So 44 minus 20 will be equal to 24. And what will be the sign? The sign will be negative. So we can see LHS equal to minus 24 and RHS equal to minus 24. It means LHS equal to RHS. So we can say that the statement 4 into in bracket 5 minus 11 equal to 4 into 5 minus 4 into 11, it will be true. Okay. Now D part. In brackets minus 3 into in brackets minus 7 is an integer. Then product of two integers. Minus 3 is an integer. Minus 3 is an integer. Minus 7 is also an integer. We know that. Then the product of two negative integer is always negative. So minus 3 into minus 7 will equal to minus into minus plus, and 7 3 are 21. And what is 21? 21 is an integer. So we can say that this is also true. First is true, second is false, third is true, and fourth is true. Question number 2 is given. What is question number 2? minus 4, B equal to 5, C equal to 4. It is given. Question number 2. If A equal to minus 4, B equal to 5, C equal to 4. It is given. Then what we have to do? Verify. A mathematical statement is given here. Verify. What is the statement? A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. You know that. This is the distributive property. Multiplication over addition. A into B plus A into C. You have to check it. This statement is true for this value. So what will be the solution? Given that A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. What is the value? A equal to minus 4, B equal to 5, C equal to 4. Now we can take LHS. What is LHS? A cross means A into B plus C in brackets. So we will put the value of A, B, C in LHS and we will solve, and again we will put the value of A, B, C in RHS and we will solve. If both values will equal, then we can say that LHS equal to RHS. It means that this statement is true for this value. Okay. So what is A? A equal to minus 4 into what is B? B equal to 5 plus what is C? C equal to 4. Is it clear? Now minus 4 into 5 plus 4 equal to 9 equal to minus, and this is plus. Minus into plus equal to minus. We know that sign we know. Plus into plus equal to plus. Minus into plus equal to minus. Plus into minus equal to minus, and minus into minus equal to plus. I have discussed this multiplication. Now, then this is minus, this is plus. Then it will be minus 4 9 36. Then LHS is equal to minus 36. Is it clear? Now RHS. What is RHS? A into B plus A into C. A into B plus A into C. This is the RHS. We will put the value of A, B and C in this statement. So what to do? A equal to minus 4 into B equal to 5 plus A equal to minus 4 into C equal to 4. So again minus into plus, because this is minus, this is plus. Minus into plus is minus, so minus 4 5 20. Minus into plus is minus, and again plus is here. Again minus into plus, it will be minus. So what we have to do? Multiply this. 4 4 16. Is it clear? 4 4 16, and minus and plus will be minus. So if the two integers are negative, then we will add. If both are positive, then again we will add. But here it is given negative, so we will add. 6 plus 0 equal to 6, 2 plus 1 equal to 3. And what will be the sign? Sign will be negative. So what is RHS? RHS is equal to minus 36. And what is LHS? LHS is equal to, it is also minus 36. So we can say that LHS equal to RHS. It means that A equal to minus 4, B equal to 5, C equal to 4. For this value, the statement A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C, it is true, verified. Okay. So this is first one and this is second one. Now question number third. You have to complete following table. A table is given. You have to complete it. So we can see the question number third. In question number third is given. Complete the following multiplication table. Complete the following multiplication table. Table is given here. This is the cross multiplication. Here it is given 6 minus 6 minus 6. Here minus 11. This is 5 plus 5. Here minus 4. Here minus. And what is here? Here minus 11, minus 10, plus 9, minus 8, minus 7, 6. You have to complete this table. What you have to do? So this is your question. You have to complete this. So we will multiply minus 6 into 11. So minus 6 minus plus. And 11 6 ja 66. Again you will multiply 5 with minus 11. Then this is positive, this is negative, then this will be negative. 11 5 ja 55. Again you will multiply by minus 11 with minus 4, minus plus. 11 4 ja 44. Again you will multiply minus 11 with minus 3 and minus plus, and 11 3 are 33. So like this you have to complete these numbers also. Okay, like minus 6 minus 10, then it will be 60 plus 60, because minus sign already I have written here. Minus into minus is plus, plus into minus minus into plus, minus plus into plus equal to plus. So you have to follow this. Minus into 5 plus 5 minus 50. Minus 10 minus 4 plus 40. Because minus plus and 10 4 ja 40. Minus into minus plus and 10 3 ja 30. Like this you can complete. Is it clear? For your homework you have to complete this table. Is it clear? Now question number 4. Find the continued product. Find the continued product. Part A is given minus 3 into minus 4 into minus 5. B is given here minus 7 into 4 into minus 23 into 0. and C part, D part also given. So you can see these two questions, these two parts of question number 4. What will be the solution? You can see. You have to find the continuous product. It means that simply you will multiply. Means what to do? Minus 3 into minus 4 into minus 5. It is given. First, you will multiply minus 3 into minus 4. Minus into minus equal to plus. Then plus 3 4 ja 12 into minus 5. Again you can see this is positive, this is negative. Positive into negative means plus into minus equal to minus. Then again it will be minus, and 12 5 ja 60. This is your answer. Is it clear? So simply you will multiply. Second part of this you can see this is a B. What is given? Minus 7 into 4 into minus 23 into G. This is a zero property, because here in any number if you multiply with 0, result will be 0. So no need to multiply 7 into minus 7 into 4 and then multiply minus 23, because in one integer is given 0. The product of any integer with 0 always 0. The value will be. Is it clear? You can see. This is question number 4. B, A and B, C and D also given like this. You can multiply, simply multiplication. You can find a continuous product. Now question number 5. What is question number 5? I am going to solve. Verify. You have to verify. First, A part is given associative property and B part is given distributive property of multiplication of integer for 3 integers. A equal to minus 2, B equal to minus 17 and C equal to 11. For these integers, you have to verify the associative property and distributive property. So you can see question number 5. Verify associative property and the distributive property. Property of multiplication of integers for 3 integers A equal to minus 2, B equal to minus 17 and C equal to 11. So what is associative property? You know that. And what is distributive property? You know that. Since here not given in distributive property over multiplication or subtraction, so in your book it is given over addition. So you have to follow that. So what will be the solution? You can see. Since we know that associative property. What is associative property? A into B plus C equal to equal to A into B into C. Is it clear? This is associative property. You will know that. So what you have to do, you will put the value of A equal to -2, B equal to -17 and C equal to 11 in LHS and RHS also. If the values are same, so we can say that the associative property is true for this value. So what you have to do, you can take LHS equal to A cross B cross C. What is the value of A? Value of A is -2, so -2 into. What is the value of B? B equal to -17. So you will write in brackets into C. What is C? C equal to 11. Is it clear? Now minus into minus equal to plus, then plus, and 17 to the 34 into 11, and again both are positive, then in this case it will positive. 11 for the 44, carry 4, 11 3 ja 33 plus 4 equal to 37. You can take 11 4 ja 44, 11 3 ja 33 and carry then 33 plus 3, 33 plus 4 equal to 37. This is LHS. Now RHS. What is RHS? A cross B cross C. Is it clear? What is A? A is -2. What is B? B equal to -17. Into what is C? C equal to 11. Again you will multiply 17 into 11. So you can do here 17 into 11 equal to, this is minus into plus equal to minus. So in result I will write 7, 1 1 ja 1, again 7, again you multiply, its value equal to 1, then you add 7 1 8 and 1, then result will be negative because this is a negative side. So -2 into what is the result? -187. Is it clear? Now again minus into minus equal to plus. So and plus 2 7 ja 14, carry 1 and 2 8 ja 16 and plus 1, 2 8 ja 16 plus 1 17, carry 1 and 2 1 ja 2 and plus 1 3. Then we can see LHS equal to 374. And what is RHS? RHS is also equal to 374. So you can say, what you can say? You can say here LHS equal to RHS. It means that the associative property is true for A equal to -2, B equal to -17 and C equal to 11. Associative property is true. Similarly, you can solve for the distributive property. And what is distributive property? You know. Is it clear? So what will be the distributive property? since we know that the distributive property what is A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. We know that distributive property for multiplication over addition, not subtraction here, because the addition is given in book. That's why I am taking here over addition. So we'll put the value of A, B, C this side, and here also A, B, C this side, and we will solve if in both cases the value will same. So we can say that this distributive property is true for this value. So what is LHS? LHS is here A cross B plus C. What is A? -2. What is B? -17 plus what is C? 11. So -2 into -17 and plus 11. If one is minus, another is plus. So you can write -17 plus 11. So -2 into, you will subtract because this is negative and this is positive. 17 minus 11 equal to -6. Is it clear? Now minus into minus will be plus, and 2 6 are 12. Then LHS equal to plus 12. Then what will be the RHS? RHS equal to A cross B plus A cross C. A into B plus A into C. What is A? A equal to -2 into what is B? B equal to -17 and plus what is A? A equal to again -2 and into what? C. C equal to 11. So multiply this. Minus into plus minus equal to plus, and 2 17 are 17 2 34, and minus into plus minus and again into plus, then it will be minus, and 11 2 22, and 34 is plus and 22 is negative. So again you will subtract. 4 minus 2 equal to 2 and 3 minus 2 equal to 1. And what is this? This is a positive sign. Positive sign. Why? Because 34 is greater. So you can say that LHS equal to 12 and RHS equal to 12. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. It means that we can say A equal to -2, B equal to -17 and C equal to 11. It is true for what? Distributive property. It means we can say that it is verified. Is it clear? So this is the second part of this show. Now question number 6, it is given. In question number 6, there are 4 parts. One part I will show. So, what is question number 6? Find using the property of multiplication. You have to use the property. Which property is given, not given, we will use. It means question number 6 is given here. Find using. After using the property, you will find the value. Using the property of multiplication. A part is given. What is A part? I am writing 1,398 into 99 minus 1,398. This is the first part. Now B is given 2,345 into minus 3 plus 2,345 into minus 97. Is it clear? We have checked that which property is here, and we have to use that property and find the value. Then what will be the solution? This is the A part and B part. C and D also given. So given that 1,398 into 99 minus 1,000 minus 398. What we have to do, you can see. Open this bracket, so we can write 1,398 into 99. Then when you will open, then this will be plus 398, and we take the common. You can see this is the common. So you will out 398, and what will remain? 99 plus 1. And what is this property? This is a distributive property. So you will write here distributive property. Okay. So you can write 1,398 into 99 plus 1 equal to 100. You will multiply, its value equal to 1,098 and 20. Similarly, you will do here. What will be the solution? Given that 2,345 into minus 3 plus 2,345 into 97. Is it clear? What will be the common? You can write minus. I am taking here minus, so minus I am taking common. 2,345 is out. What will be remaining? 3 plus 97. And what is this? This is also distributive property. So its value equal to minus 2,345 into, again its value is 100. So when you will multiply, then you will get 20 will include minus 2,345. Similarly,